welcome back to my channel. This is Luna the Moon Tarot. So, here I am with yet another timeless energy check. What is happening in your love life? Let's see what is going to happen next in your love life now. So, you already know the drill. Please hit the like button to connect to my energies by liking this particular video and drop the zodiac sign of your person in the comment section. So today's energy check is going to be to check what is going to happen next in your love life. Before I proceed, connect to my energies and let's see. Say their name and let's see. Oh my god. The very first card that came out is the Death card. Something tells me that there is a transformation which is taking place in your connection within you or within your person right now. Seems to be like major downfall which has happened in your connection in the recent past, and now there's a new beginning which is coming up. In case if you've been asking, is it over, was it over, or is your person never going to come back in your life, and is it the end? Then the answer is not at all. It's an absolute no. I feel that something tells me in this particular connection, there is a new beginning which is just around the corner. Your person is going to come forward in a very casual and a light-hearted way. They are going to approach you, and I do see that there is a new love beginning in your connection. This person was running away in the past. You were the chaser, they were the runner, or it can be vice versa. You were running away, they were the chaser. But I definitely see, because of the transformation and things which were taking place in the recent past, they were running away from this particular connection, and now they are coming forward. They have thought it through, they have thought about it so many times that now they want to come forward, they want to be with you, and they want to be practical. They are taking a practical decision right now. Whatever choice or decision that they are making right now, it's very practical. They want to reconcile with you. They have done all the calculation, they have done all the pros and cons calculation, they have thought about each and everything of the reasons of being with you, the cons of being with you. Okay, but everything is leading them back to you, and now they are gearing up to take the action, and that is going to happen within this very month before it ends. I feel a reconciliation is just around the corner for you. Maybe dealing with a strong Scorpio or a strong Leo sign here, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, anything. Okay, but I see that your person is coming forward towards you with a strong reconciliation, with a strong action, and that to a fast paced communication, fast paced action. The cards that has popped up today right now tells me that this is a fast paced action that your person is going to take. Whatever silence, whatever crickets were there, whatever energies were playing role, the negative energies that were playing role, everything is getting over right now. I see that they have healed enough. They have taken space, they have given you space for you to heal they and balance out, and they have taken their space and their time to be patient enough and to heal. Okay, it seems like with the Nine of Swords, there's a lot of sleepless nights, depression, and a lot of things which are not going in the right direction. They are unable to sleep, you are unable to sleep. Lot many things are giving a lot of anxiety right now, and they want to come in, they want to balance the situation. In the recent past, there was an imbalance in this particular connection, but now they want to balance it out. With the Seven of Pentacles, I see that they are getting frustrated. Okay, they are, with the weight, probably now you have also taken your power back. Also, you are not reaching out to them. You are just waiting, watching and observing that that they are going to reach out, and they are waiting, watching and observing that you are going to reach out. So at both the ends, I see that both of you are sort of waiting for each other to reach out. Now it's up to you whether you want to reach out, you want to break the silence first, or you want them to break the silence, because both of you are doing the same thing. And in case if you do not reach out to them, by the way guys, if you do not reach out to them, and if you be patient, if you be calm, and if you keep working on yourself within this month, in case if you do not reach out, then they are going to reach out to you. So I would suggest have some patience and let them reach out to you, because intuitively you are also feeling they are also feeling. Emotionally, intuitively, you guys are very strongly connected to each other. I feel that in case if you do not reach out to them, they are going to reach out to you. And you may be also dealing with a very heavy Libran over here. Okay, very strong Libra card I see here. I see that they are going to put in efforts. They are going to balance the connection. They are going to, there will be a equal amount of give and take in this particular relationship. And this time when they are going to come, they will not be all words, but this time there is going to be a lot of action. They're going to prove themselves. They are going to bring in a lot of light-hearted energy, but also a very grounded energy. They are not coming with ego. They are coming with lot of promises, lot of action. And this time it is not going to be fake. It is going to be full of grounded energy, promises, something that they really, really, really want to live up to. So I would suggest let them come forward, because whatever internal conflicts that you were also facing, that will also be gone from your life. Like whatever confusion, internal conflicts you had, that thing will also be erased from your mind. And I see very strong Leo sign over here. I see a lot of happiness you will be getting out of this particular action. I see that, in case if they have blocked you, or if you have blocked them, then I would suggest please unblock them. In case if they have blocked you, they are going to unblock you within this very month. They are going to tell you everything. They are thinking of the ideas as to how they should approach you. First they should unblock you. In case if they have blocked you, in case they have blocked you energetically, then also they are thinking of ideas, what to say to you, what to tell you, so that things become better between you and them. And you guys can be successful. They know that whenever they are going to enter in your life, you are going to accept them back. So it's not like that they are not going to put in efforts. They will put in efforts, but they are also quite confident that you will let them in, and they are very hopeful that you do let them in. Dealing with the strong Aquarius here, the communication is starting, and it is going to be a fast paced communication. They are going to take fast paced action. Be ready. Your phone is going to buzz. The WhatsApp messages are going to come. The messages are going to come. Phone calls are going to, emails, everything, iMessage, whatever is your phone is going to blow up right now. Okay, so this month is going to be a breakthrough, a transformative month for majority of the couple, where they thought that it has ended, but all of a sudden this person is going to come back. They are going to take an action. If they have blocked you, they will unblock you. If they have not blocked you but pushed you away energetically and blocked you energetically, they are again going to come back to you. And I see that they are going to give you a lot of hope and clarity and stability. They are going to put in a lot of hard work, effort in this connection. This connection may have moved very slowly in your life, okay, or it is going to move very slow, but it is going to move towards more grounded and stable energy. Pentacle card, grounded and stable. Okay, this person is going to send you a message and apologize to you. I see new emotions igniting. I see good emotional connection happening. Whatever juggle was there in the past, that will be gone. They are ready to put in the efforts. In case if they were juggling with a third party situation over here, now they have taken a call. They are leaving the third party. They are coming forward towards you, and they are putting the efforts in this particular situation. However, I do see that because of the stubborn nature in the recent past, both of you kind of drifted apart, because you were standing your ground, they were standing their ground. But now they have realized the divine itself has played a role and put in the word, the thought in their mind, and they want to come forward. They want to give this particular connection another chance. They have realized it, that you are the one for them, and they want to proceed with you. They are going to unblock you. Whatever stubborn energies were there, they are going to work on them. They are going to come forward. They are going to give you that commitment and that stability in your life. So in case if this reading resonates with you, then you can go for 21 days love combo, or you can just let me know, message me, DM me right now, and I'll let you know the best suited spell work that is for you. And in case if you want to go for personalized session, you can book a personalized session with me as well. So meanwhile, I'm gonna take leave, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in the bio. Bye bye.